Imagine this. The ground beneath your feet trembles. The oceans roar louder than any storm you've ever heard. Mountains shake. Cities crumble. Skies darken. And then, silence. For 10 seconds, the Earth itself has stopped. A world frozen in motion. A planet that forgot to turn. Tonight, we ask, what if Earth stopped spinning for just 10 seconds? The Earth spins constantly, day and night, endlessly, silently. At the equator, this rotation carries every one of us at 1,670 kilometers per hour, faster than a speeding bullet. But we never feel it, because everything, land, oceans, and air, moves together as one. This hidden motion is balance. It is stability. It is life. But what if that balance shattered? What if the Earth's spin was suddenly interrupted? For 10 seconds. No more, no less. Let's be clear, stopping Earth isn't just unlikely, it's impossible without forces beyond imagination. The energy locked in our planet's spin is beyond comprehension. Slowing it even slightly would require an impact greater than anything humanity or even the solar system has ever seen. But let's suspend reality for a moment. Let's imagine an invisible hand pressing pause on Earth's rotation. In that instant, the consequences would be catastrophic. Because while the ground beneath us may stop, everything else would not. Think of a car slamming into a wall at full speed. You inside are thrown forward, not because the car moves, but because your body does. Now scale that up. To continents. To oceans. To the atmosphere itself. At the equator, the surface velocity is nearly 1,670 kilometers per hour. If Earth stopped for 10 seconds, every object not anchored deep into bedrock would continue at that speed. Skyscrapers would shear apart. Entire forests would rip from their roots. Cars, trains, planes, people, all hurled forward in an unstoppable wave. And the oceans? They would surge with unimaginable force, their momentum carrying them inland, tearing coastlines apart. 10 seconds. That's all it takes. In our real world, Earth has spun steadily for over 4.5 billion years. Its rotation shapes winds, currents, weather systems. It defines the rhythm of life itself. But remove that spin, even briefly, and nature turns hostile. Tsunamis would dwarf anything in recorded history. Winds, freed from balance, would howl at speeds never measured. Earthquakes would tear across fault lines as pressure redistributes in an instant. Even after rotation resumed, the scars would remain. Cities lost. Coastlines drowned. A civilization shattered. Earth halts. The ground beneath us is still, but the atmosphere, moving at 1,670 kilometers per hour, does not. Hurricane-force winds slam across continents. Anything not anchored is swept away. The oceans surge. Massive walls of water race inland. Coastal cities vanish beneath a crushing tide. Bridges snap. Ships are tossed onto land like toys. Tectonic chaos begins. The sudden stop redistributes force across the planet's crust. Earthquakes ripple worldwide. Volcanoes awaken. The very skin of Earth cracks. Human life is erased in swathes. Entire populations gone. Power grids fail. Civilization collapses. The spin resumes. But nothing is the same. The planet continues turning, yet the damage is irreversible. The Earth turns on, but for billions, it never will again. Why does this matter? Because this thought experiment reveals just how fragile our balance is. We exist only because Earth spins. It shapes our day, our climate, our oceans. It holds our world in rhythm. Without it, chaos reigns. This isn't just about 10 seconds. It's about perspective. The smallest change in cosmic balance can rewrite life as we know it. So next time you feel the stillness of the night, remember, the ground beneath you is never truly still. It races endlessly, tirelessly, around the globe. A quiet motion that makes life possible. And it leaves us with a haunting question. If 10 seconds could destroy everything, what would happen if Earth stopped forever?